welcome back to my channel. It's Delisha, and this is part 2 of my last video, which was an unboxing of the BetterLength ClipIns. In this video, I will actually be installing the ClipIns in my hair, and these are the ClipIns. Again, this is a 14-inch in the Kinky curly texture, and I'm just going to show you guys how I am going to be installing this. The first part of the video is just me going to, I'm going to be curling up my hair, which you guys seen in my past videos. If you haven't, go ahead and check those out as well. But I'm just going to go ahead and do my normal hair regimen, how I get my hair to curl up and stuff. And then I'll come back and show you guys how I'm going to install those. Alright guys, so I am done with my hair. So now I'm going to go ahead and start installing these. I'm going to go ahead and open these up. Now this is my first time ever having any type clip-in. And okay, looks like they come in strips like this. This one has 5 clips on it. And let me go ahead and lay these out. Again, I've never put these in before. Oh, they also say that whatever you do to your hair is what you want to do to this hair. So if you use products for this, for your real hair, you want to use those same products for this. I'm wondering if I should do that now. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And these are already really defined. I'm just going to put a little bit of this, the gel that I used in my hair, maybe to hold it together. I'm not sure. It's the, you know, Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Gel. Okay. Now, when you're wearing an afro, they say that you want to put it this way and not that way. So the ones in the front, I'm going to go ahead and put this way. So I'm going to part it. Maybe I'll put a 2-clip all the way at the tip. Let me see. I'll go ahead and part my hair. My hands are slippery, guys. Okay, I'm gonna clip that away. I'm gonna go ahead and fix this. I think I told y'all in one of my other videos, but the front of my hair it's been awkward lately. It's not too bad, but it's been acting awkward, but I just do that and it'll curl up eventually. I'm gonna use a 2-clip for this, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna use a 2-clip. So you just, you know those one clips, you just do that. That's what you do. So I'm gonna do that to both of those. And then you just comb it in and snap it. So I am going to do that. So comb it. I know I've seen a lot of people going in circles for it. Comb it in, snap. Comb it in, snap. Okay, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put this down. Do another part, and I'll do 3 for that one. The great thing is that I could have different, like once I take these out, I could just label them myself or something and say, oh, Afro, because I'm not going to use all these right now, but I could say Afro. These go in the front, these go here, and then I could just reuse it for whatever style I choose to use it for. Now, hopefully this comes out the way I'm hoping. Let me unsnap the 3 clips. Go ahead and sit that in, snap, sit that in, snap, sit that in, snap. I'm not gonna cut to the same length of my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it a little bit longer than my hair. You don't want it like too uniform, so I'm trying to like, you know. know we looking crazy right now, y'all, but it's gonna come together. I think it's coming together, y'all. Ooh. Okay, I think it's coming together. I'm gonna go ahead and play with it a little bit and kind of give it some shape. Let me cut this down a little bit more. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and play with it a little bit, give it some shape, pick it out, throw on my face for the day, and then I'll come back and show you guys the finished look. So go ahead and stay tuned if you want to see the finished look. Hey guys, I'm back, and I went on ahead and put on my face. Got cute, put on some earrings. Y'all like my earrings? It says unapologetically black. And I have plenty of those. Actually, let me go grab them. These are some of them. This is Black Girl Magic. Oh, Black Girl Magic. I got this one. These. If you guys want to know where I got my earrings from, I did order them from The Essentials. I'll have all her information in the description below if you guys want to order you some. I think they're really cute, and they just like, and for me, I always wear hoops, so I think this is a really good alternative from a hoop too. Like, it's like a dangle hoop. It's giving me like, it's giving me unapologetically black and Black Girl Magic, and it's just giving me culture. That's what it's giving me, culture. But I definitely will put all her information down below for you guys to go ahead and order. She also has a bunch of other stuff on her website as well, like hair products, soaps, lip balm. I think she's gonna come out with some head wraps soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. Check her out and go ahead and place y'all orders now. But this is the finished look. I did go ahead and let it dry and pick it out some, and I know some people might be like, girl, your hair probably that length too, but it's really not. Like, this is just giving me like more volume and more Afro puff, Afro sister. I don't know. I can see a difference because I know my hair, but yeah. So I think it's really cute, and it turned out great. And this is not the only style I will be doing with this. I still have plenty left, so I'll definitely try like doing like a little ponytail look, or half up, half down. You know, it's definitely a bunch of stuff you can do with these clip-ins, not just that. Again, I could take these clip-ins out and put them to the side, like, hey, this one in the front, this one in the back, this is for the side, you know, and I could reuse them. This is, again, 100%, hold on, let me double check, y'all. It is 100% virgin human hair, and it was really soft when I washed it, and it takes a little bit longer to dry than like my real hair would. So one thing I would do differently is to maybe blow dry the clip-ins a little bit first before putting them in my hair, so that if I do have to diffuse it or blow dry it, I'm not blow drying my hair too dry, because my hair actually gets really frizzy when you dry it. But again, I don't mind the frizz. So here at the top, I love it. I don't care about the frizz too much. And I don't like when it's like too defined either. So I actually like the frizz. I picked out some of the clip-ins a little bit so that it wouldn't be too defined, and this is what it gave me. So again, this is from BetterLength Hair for Black women. It says BetterLength Hair for Black women. They do sell textured clip-ins so that you can I think send in a picture and match it to whatever texture you got. They'll help you out and figure your texture out. But they do have different textures that you can choose from, and you just pick your texture, get you a bundle. You can get different inches, so like I did get a 14-inch because I knew I was going to cut it, but they have different inches you can order. I don't think they have color yet, but this hair can be colored too, so I'm not sure how it is when it's colored, but you can color this hair. And yeah, so if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned for more videos. I do have a bunch of videos coming out just because I'm quarantined and I ain't got nothing better to do. So if you guys have any video suggestions or hairstyles that you do want to see, go ahead and send them to me, and I'll be happy to go ahead and try to get that video out for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned on my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. I read all the comments, so go ahead and comment. Any advice you guys have, go ahead and send it down below. And I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And please stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.
Shut up and listen, stick to your vision, map out your plan, you know. Don't let them take your glow, beware.